Stress-free holiday, hosting in small homes, tips and tricks. Hey everyone, the holidays are almost here. Can you feel the excitement building? Twinkling lights, festive tunes, delicious food, and of course, the joy of being with loved ones. But let's be real. When your space is limited, it can feel like a challenge just getting everyone together without bumping into each other. From overcrowded rooms to balancing the decorations, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and wonder how you'll pull it off. The good news is, hosting in a small space doesn't mean sacrificing the holiday fun. With a little creativity and some smart space-saving hacks, you can turn your cozy spot into the perfect setting for a memorable celebration. So let's dive into a few tricks that'll help you host like a pro, no matter how tight your space may be. Multifunctional furniture. First up, when you're dealing with limited space, multifunctional furniture is a game changer. You can swap out bulky pieces for those that serve more than one purpose. Think folding tables, ottomans with hidden storage, or stackable chairs. These items are perfect for the holidays when you need extra seating or surface space, but want to keep things tidy when the party's over. Tips: a fold-out dining table is a lifesaver. You can pull it out when it's time for dinner, then fold it back up to make more room for mingling. Create zones in your space. Even in a small home, you can create different zones for various activities. Use rugs or furniture arrangement to section off areas for food, drinks, and conversation. This way, your guests can move around without feeling cramped, and you get to keep the flow going smoothly. Tips: use a stylish bar cart as a drink station. It's not just functional, it adds a chic vibe to your space too. Keep it simple with festive decor. When it comes to decorating, less is more, especially in a small space. Focus on a few key pieces that create a festive vibe, like a holiday wreath, simple string lights, or a small decorated tree. Keep things minimalist yet cozy. You don't need to overwhelm your space with too many decorations. Tips: a cute holiday centerpiece on your table or mantle is all you need to bring the festive spirit into the room without overcrowding. DIY buffet style setup. Instead of sitting everyone down at a single table, consider creating a buffet-style food station. This allows guests to help themselves without crowding a small table, and it can be set up on a counter or even a coffee table. It also gives your guests the flexibility to pick and choose what they want. Tips: use a countertop or bar area for your buffet to keep the dining area clear for other activities. Lighten up with fairy lights. Fairy lights are an inexpensive and effective way to add charm and warmth to your space. Drape them along shelves, walls, or windows to create a magical, cozy atmosphere without using up any floor space. You can also use battery-operated lights to avoid tangled cords and keep things safe. Tips: place the lights in glass jars or vases for a glowing centerpiece. Use stackable dishware and serveware. When space is tight, stackable dishware and serveware are your best friend. Stackable plates, cups, and serving trays can easily be tucked away when not in use, helping you avoid overcrowding the kitchen and dining areas. Tips: you can even stack them in a visually appealing way to create a holiday-inspired display that guests can admire. Set up a DIY coffee or hot chocolate bar. Create a DIY coffee or hot chocolate bar in a small corner of your space. All you need is a small table or cart, a couple of mugs, and a selection of toppings like whipped cream, marshmallows, and sprinkles. It's a fun way to add a personalized touch to your gathering without cluttering your space. Tips: use clear jars or canisters to display toppings in a decorative way. There you have it. With these smart space-saving hacks, hosting a memorable holiday party in a small space is totally doable. Keep it cozy, creative, and fun, and your guests will be talking about the gathering for years to come. No matter the size of your space, it's all about making the most of what you have and ensuring everyone has a great time. We hope these tips help you plan the perfect holiday celebration. If you have any space-saving tricks of your own, we'd love to hear them. Leave them in the comments below. If you liked these tips, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more design inspiration. And if you're ready to take your home's aesthetic to the next level, check out the link in the description to try Foyer Neo with a 14-day free trial. It's an amazing design tool that can help bring your vision to life with ease. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!